Hello everybody, today I'm going to share with you how we do our soup tulang at home. Okay, over here we have our soup tulang, which is mutton, and also for garnishing we are using some carrot, and then we are using the onion. We need some ginger, and we also need salt, a little bit of sugar, pepper, 5 spice powder, and then the star anise. For cooking, heat up some oil in a pot, and then you put in the ginger. Stir fry the ginger until you can smell the aroma. After that, put in the onion. After the ginger and the onion is cooked, put in the tulang. For seasoning, add in some salt, some pepper, some 5 spice powder, and then the teaspoon of sugar. And then add in the star anise. Give it a good mix. After mixing the tulang with the ingredient, put on the cover. Set this on the low medium heat, and then for the next 60 minutes and simmer it. After the time is up, open the cover. Okay, you can actually add in some water to let it have some gravy. I also add in some dry chili to add on to the taste. At this time, you can actually add in the carrot. Give it a good stir. After giving it a good stir, you can cover this. Continue to cook this on the low medium fire for the next 60 minutes, which is 1 hour. And here we have it, our soup tulang home cooked style. Okay, and I hope you enjoy this recipe and can try it yourself. And please visit our channel again and please subscribe. Thank you. Good day to you.